Good morning, good day, good evening. This is Miss Jones with Legacies of Luxuriies, Arts and Crafts YouTube. And this is the 31st of October 2019. A rainy, wet, cold Thursday here in Michigan. Yesterday I uploaded a video on how I created myself a remote control holder for my living room during the Christmas holiday season using the red truck. And look what I found today at Walmart. This cool truck with metal, corrugated metal. And look at that. It's got a pop bottle cap for the wheels. These are $4 at Walmart. Now that's not bad, and they're very heavy, sturdy. So if you are looking for that little red truck and they're out at Dollar Tree, Walmart's is your second best guess, people. They have a couple designs. This was my favorite, and I picked it up. But they have a couple designs. And I also found me a new ornament for my village this holiday season, and that is the outdoor popcorn stand. So I'm going to be adding that to my holiday decorations. Also, Walmart has really nice farmhouse rustic ornaments for $2 or $1.88, and I really like this shovel made with twigs and then little cotton balls for snow. So I will be using this in my upcoming 12 Days of Christmas decor, or I'm going to use it for a wreath. Okay, well, yesterday we talked about loopy loop yarn. This is loopy loop yarn, extremely soft. And why not use it to wrap the Dollar Tree candy cane frame and make ourselves a beautiful loop-de-loop type candy cane for this season. And I purchased this at JoAnns yesterday. Here's what the tag looks like. Alright. Now, this is very simple, easy peasy DIY. You can start wrapping your color by tying an end first and then wrapping it and then tying it and then starting another color. What I did was I wrapped this candy cane wreath first with ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Okay, very cheap ribbon, because I want to hot glue the pieces. So this is what I did. I started out on the back side with a loop-de-loop and some hot glue, and then I just dabbed it in the back, waited for it to dry, and started wrapping it. Cut off my end. I wrapped these 8 to 9 times. Made sure it was bunched together. And then I decided to go with this maroon red. So you could do all white, you could do red, you could do any color you could find in the loop-de-loop yarn. I'm going towards this color because it's more farmhousey to me. And up here, when you get about midway, don't forget to make yourself a little hook. And I just used a pipe cleaner and glued it in right here. Alright, this won't be that heavy of a wreath. So what I did was I wrapped everything already. And this is how I want to demonstrate. You put your hot glue right there, push this down, hold it, and then wrap it 8 to 9 times. This will be the end because I started with white. I wanted to end with white. Me, I'm particular, so make yourself a loopity-loop candy cane this season. And here I still have all this left. This makes excellent Santa beards. Do you guys make Santa wreaths? Pick up the loop-de-loop yarn for the beard. I used loopity-loop yarn last year for Legacy's giant gnome doll for her hair, and then Miss Laverly's was pink loopity-loop yarn I used. That's when I started to fall in love with this yarn. Now, a lot of people use this to make scarves because it's a no-sew type of yarn, and my grandmother would have loved to have this available to her back in the day. And I just thought this year, why not use it in my farmhouse type crafts, and starting with a candy cane. And then I found this really pretty Cardinal ribbon at JoAnns when I picked up the loopity loop, and I'm just going to make like a little tuxedo bow, and then at the end I make my tails like this, like it would look on a table runner. And I just glue it like that into a point, so it's nice and clean. And then I'm going to use the Santa. This is so adorable. Another $1.88 ornament from Walmart's. It did come with a little bit of the decoration with the red striped ribbon and some of the fake evergreens, but I want to remove that because then you can't see the slot when all that's decorated. I want to show the slot. So I'm going to add this to the candy cane too. I'm going to tie it on, and then I'm going to probably hot glue my handmade bow that I made. And you'll see the final result with the profile photo that I upload for this video. Alright, so here's your idea. You've seen it with Miss Jones at Legacies of Little Luxuries Arts and Crafts YouTube. Make yourself a loopity loop candy cane this season. It is very, very pretty. Soft. I love it. It's like a pillow. And it's on sale at JoAnns right now. So if you watch this video a month from now, I don't know how much it's going to be then, but put it on your agenda for next year with the loopity loop yarn. It's very easy to create. I send my blessings out to you and your family from me and mine. I'm also working on today one of these Dollar Tree ornaments. I'm going to try, I think what I want to do is I picked up some gray paint from Walmart's. I'm going to try to make it look like it's metal. The whole thing is metal. This will be looking like a tin ornament. I'll paint over this. That's what I want to do. I want to use it for, I was going to use this for a clock. I have my 12 days of ornaments coming up very soon, and I just thought this would be cute as a centerpiece with a clock. And the clock, motorized battery operated pieces are only $4 at Walmart's. So I did pick up one of those. Let's see if I can find it. I also picked up some Mod Podge spray. I keep telling you to spray your stuff when you are finished with it, or add the Mod Podge by using it with the brush. This is the spray. It's faster, it's quicker, it's a lot more convenient for me than to spend another 15 minutes wiping down my project with the liquid Mod Podge. I just use the spray. It is a little expensive, but to me it saves time. And I like it. I like doing it that way. And this is the gray metallic and the gray colors I picked up to try to create that tin look on the ornament from Dollar Tree. That's the, I'm trying to find if I find that cute little, oh, here it is. Here's the clock. So yeah, it's $4 something at Walmart's. And you just drill a hole in the center of whatever you want to make into a clock and place this in the back of it. And then it comes with little hands that you screw in the front. Very simple. I've made a lot of clocks in my 2 years I've been uploading videos. So check back on them videos to see what I did. And I did use canvases when I applied them, because I was doing an upcycle on my son's graduation picture and then of my daughter's graduation pictures, and both of them have clocks running on them. So that's going to be something to look forward to in the future. Well, keeping this video short. I can't edit right now. I have to buy my editing program. That's coming up soon when I have a little bit extra money to pay for my yearly subscription. And then I can continue with the slideshows and the DIYs. Right now I'm just showing you what I am creating, but I'm not taking you step by step because my craft room is not set up right now to keep the camera and then keep the room organized. It is a mess. So without further ado, hashtag art is freedom. Take care. So long. And bless. Bye.